The City of Cincinnati and Hamilton County are leading a joint effort to replace the Western Hills Viaduct, and we are looking for a construction manager at risk to join our team. The viaduct connects to Interstate 75, linking Cincinnati's densely populated west side to the city's uptown district, home to world-renowned hospitals and universities. Built in the early 1930s, the Western Hills Viaduct is reaching the end of its useful life. Its replacement will be located 50 feet south of the current viaduct, extending a half-mile over a tributary of the Ohio River and a large active railroad yard with 32 tracks. The new bridge will be an extrados design with one deck and 8 lanes. The bridge will include a protected, multi-purpose hike and bike path on the south side and a sidewalk on the north side. Construction of the new bridge is expected to begin by 2025 and take an estimated 5 years to complete. Preparation for construction is getting started. This includes demolition of several buildings in the footprint of the project and relocation of an electric utility substation, a transmission line, and other utilities. The construction manager at risk will be a key member of our team. The construction manager will collaborate on detailed design development, coordinate with the railroads, and construct the bridge.